10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 9 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. What? Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 60 miles per hour. Where? Portions of in south-central Indiana and north-central and northwest Kentucky. When? Until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 9 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Repeating, a high wind warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, and now includes the following counties in Indiana: Clark, Crawford, Floyd, Harrison, and Perry, and the following counties in Kentucky: Breckenridge, Meade, and Trimble.